All right, how's everyone today? Welcome to another exciting episode of the Gen Z Show. It's me, your host today, Jamie, and this is your go to program for career and personality development tips. So, today we have a fascinating topic to discuss. How can ChatGPT help me at work? This topic is incredibly valuable for our viewers right now because, in our fast paced and data driven world, finding ways to enhance productivity, or streamline workflows and make informed decisions is very crucial. Whether you're, a professional looking to optimize your tasks or maybe a business owner, seeking to improve customer interactions or anyone curious about the potential of AI, this talk will provide practical insights and tips you won't want to miss. So now I am thrilled to introduce our guest speaker today. I want to learn from this guy because throughout his career, he has been passionate about harnessing the power of information for people and businesses. Please welcome Coach Dominic Barrios. Hi, Coach.
Hello, Jamie. Nice to be here.
Thank you so much. It's great to have you here today. How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you. Ano lang namin actually, punta sa enrollment for our kids kanina.
All right. I'll ask the first question, Nano.
Sure,
Can you
sure.
tell us about your background in AI and what led you to specialize in this field?
Back in 2018, we were starting with chatbots already. So it's like artificial intelligence, but it's actually very rule-based pa. And that time, we're helping businesses make parang smarter customer experience.
Right.
Dahil we want them to have faster response when customers are inquiring. So 2018, AI was not there yet. So eventually, back in 2020, around 2021 to 2022, nagsimula na dyan si ChatGPT and OpenAI. And so there were integrations available na for our chatbots so that we can make our chatbots more smart, and then they'd be able to understand Tagalog or different languages. And then, syempre, the chatbot would be able to respond faster na kagad dun sa mga customers. So, since then, we've been experimenting on what kinds of chatbots yung pwede namin gawin so that we can serve more industries.
Right. And, this is very, for us who are not, or a newbie in terms of AI, it's kind of like intimidating to really use. But I want to know, Coach, what excites you most about working with AI technologies like, for example, the ChatGPT?
Like any other people, sobrang bago lang naman niya, and you don't have to be super nerdy to understand AI right now. Kasi ChatGPT is already there and you can play with it for
Right.
free.
Right.
So, right now, it's more of I'm waiting for ano yung mga bagong developments with ChatGPT, with AI. Like research, we can create research through ChatGPT. We can create frameworks. We can create content. As mentioned earlier, we've been using ChatGPT integrated to our chatbot so that it can be a perfect customer service for businesses. We've also seen some chatbots or bots who can diagnose symptoms for those who are sick. So for patients, pwede rin siya gamitin. And then, of course, yung mga simple problems like FAQ bots, programming, and you want to fix your data also, you can use ChatGPT for that. So that's yung mga, ano na yun, yun yung mga nakaka-excite actually with the ChatGPT right now.
Yeah, and I'm curious actually, Coach, following the question or following your answer, how accurate ba yung binibigay na information ni ChatGPT or ng mga AIs natin ngayon? Like, for example, you've mentioned about the medical conditions of someone, who will put that on ChatGPT. Gano'n
Right.
binibigay nila?
Good question actually, kasi baka some people would test or use ChatGPT kagad to diagnose what they're feeling right now, right? So there are bots na who can parang na optimize na to become a good symptom sorter bot. But currently right now here in the Philippines, it's not yet available. So we've just talked to these companies pa lang who can do this, and we're working on a partnership here in the Philippines para at least we can bring it also here in the Philippines. So it's not yet that reliable, pero I wouldn't also recommend doing that using ChatGPT kasi meron pa siyang mga safeguards dun sa ChatGPT right now and currently nire-regulate din siya right now so that hindi siya magamit siya as an abuse for getting data, mga ganon.
It's actually far different as well if you search it on Google, Coach, no? Kasi sa Google, when parang kapag sumakit lang yung ulo mo, may tumor
Right.
na agad. So it's kind of, you really have to make sure that you got the accurate information of
Right.
whatever you're searching. Right. So this is for all our viewers right now. Can you share examples of how ChatGPT or AI is being used in various industries today?
There are a lot of sample na pwedeng gamitin for ChatGPT. One is halimbawa for travel industry, you can actually use ChatGPT integrated of course to chatbots. It will give you parang recommended places on where to go, ano yung mga pwede mong i-book and na flights, ano yung mga places na pwede mong puntahan, saan ka mag-ano. Well, as mentioned, customer service, they're actually using that already for FAQ bots, mga ganon, for customer support. Then some also sa education, they're using ChatGPT for teaching kids. You can already program it to become a tutor, a teacher, para turuan ka ng about the subject. And then you can create quizzes using that para matest mo din yung student. So that's something very exciting. Ako, personally, I've used ChatGPT for consulting like legal services. Kasi when you want to create parang contract and then you want to add specific clause there, you can actually consult ChatGPT. Oh, what can I put in here if I want this na ganito? You can consult ChatGPT faster, but of course, to make it more professional, you want also to check with a lawyer so that you can see na, okay, tama naman pala yung nakalagay dito. Baka mamaya kasi pumalpa ka pa rin. So, it's more of using ChatGPT to make your work faster, but then I would also suggest na to consult professionals so that sure ka sa mga nilalabas ni ChatGPT sa'yo.
And I would like to follow on that answer as well, Coach. What impact has ChatGPT had on businesses and even individuals' productivity?
It makes work faster lang talaga. Now, as for how fast, halimbawa, for a normal business lang siguro or a normal SME, you'd have to think for a week to create a whole content for your business. But with ChatGPT, if you have already run existing frameworks on how to create content, you'll just have to plug it doon sa ChatGPT, train it, and then you'll just add your audience, your subject, and then for what reason, then it can create 30 contents na for a month. Think of it as a parang virtual assistant lang that you're paying for $20 monthly. You're saving a lot, actually.
Right.
Monthly dahil you don't have to hire more people that costs more like 20,000 pesos or 30,000 pesos. With ChatGPT nga, parang you're hiring someone na more knowledgeable than an average human already.
I know plenty of business owners, even individuals, really helped by ChatGPT. So can you tell us, Coach, what are some of the limitations of ChatGPT and how can users effectively navigate these challenges?
ChatGPT is composed pa rin kasi of data. And even though millions or billions of data yung na-feed na sa kanya, it's still not enough actually to understand everything that is available right now here. We shouldn't use ChatGPT as our only source of truth. We want to use it as to give us ideas or brain dump lang din.
But have you encountered, Coach, any misconceptions about ChatGPT that you would like to clarify for our audience today?
Right now, parang ang mga nakita ko lang is they are already complete. They are na parang hindi mo na sila kailangang i-tune, parang hindi mo na sila kailangang ayusin. So, I think the misconception there is that it's already perfect. You don't have to do any thinking and
Mm-hmm.
parang you can just rely on it na it's your source of truth already. Again, it's composed of data, so we need to optimize it first. Marami pang kailangan optimization there.
Right. And where do you see the development of AI tools like ChatGPT heading in the next few years? Because sobrang popular na ngayon ng mga AI tools, right? So where do you see that improvement, coach? Or sorry, the development rather.
Currently, I'm really happy na we can already talk to ChatGPT and it can be conversational already. So in a few years nga lang siguro, I
Yes,
think
it's kind of scary actually, Coach Dom. But yeah, it's impressive.
or there's a hologram at least that you can talk to. So para siyang at least ito yung mga napapanood natin sa mga sci-fi movies na nagkakatotoo na.
Well, right now, Coach, what emerging trends in AI should our viewers be aware of?
Right now, I've seen AIs na one is for videos. It can already create videos just using prompt. Medyo smooth na siya ngayon eh. But later on, mas maraming AI tools na lalabas na gano'n na mas magiging affordable and more people would be able to use that for their business or whatever. More of magiging available na for everyone yung AI. Of course, with conversational AIs right now. Parang right now, we don't have to chat na sa mga Facebook Messenger. Probably, people would just have to talk to the websites and then the website would speak to us
Mm-hmm.
just to explain to us kung ano ba yung mga products na binebenta ng mga brands ngayon. So, yun yung mga something na I'm also looking forward.
Actually, I'm curious on that, Coach. Like, do you think AI will hinder us to strengthen like our human connection? Because as what you've mentioned earlier, parang you don't have to talk to other people. You can just talk to. Moving forward, you can just talk to to the website and to the AI if you
Right.
have no one to talk to or something like that.
Para siyang double-edged sword. So for those people who are very loner or very introvert, they can at least use that AI so that it can help them sa personal life nila. I doubt naman na yung mga extroverts would just rely on AI alone.
Right, right.
Parang they would still go out and mingle with people and meet people. And of course, for businesses naman, you would want to also to do meet a lot of people for networking, to collaborate. So,
Mhm.
yun. So, it's a double-edged sword, but I think mas malaki yung impact na magagawa niya for those people who are very introvert.
I agree. I agree. For those who are watching right now, how should one prepare to adapt to AI in their professional life?
Well, right now, since ang dami ng LLMs na available right now, I would recommend na they play with it first, experiment, do some research, parang be more open to
Mhm.
what AIs can do. Watch YouTube videos. Ang dami ng resources right now on
And it's
how you
for
can
free.
use. It's for free. And maraming helpful advices na rin on YouTube na on how you can maximize the use of AI or ChatGPT for your business. So if they really want to adopt AI for their business, they can just watch YouTube and then experiment, play around. They don't have to invest fully kaagad sa AI.
Right. And in your personal experience, Coach, what has been the most rewarding part of working in the AI field?
Everything that we've accomplished with AI chatbots right now, it's a great feeling of accomplishment na kagad. This is something that hasn't been done before. So technically para nasa frontliners kami. And we're really discovering the use of AI and how we can maximize it for our businesses. That's how rewarding it is for us.
Right. And now we're down to our last two questions, Coach. Is there like key advice you would give to someone aspiring to become proficient in AI?
Okay, so I have this friend who asked me about AI just earlier, actually. So he was asking, "Oh, do I have to enroll in a course so that I can learn more about AI? Or how was it when I was starting with ChatGPT. So I would recommend lang na they just play around, start with talking to the chatbots, start talking to ChatGPT, and then experiment, like create images or do whatever they want. And then they can also just go to YouTube and then research more about ano ba yung gusto nila, nakikita nilang gawin, what pain point do they want to solve right now, and then test it on ChatGPT. Doon naman lahat nagsisimula yon.
Right. Actually, it's all about ano din, coach, no? One thing I realized, it's all about getting the right prompt para ma-generate ng maayos yung kung ano man yung sinesearch mo. And coach, now any final thoughts or words of wisdom for our viewers about embracing AI technologies like ChatGPT that could help them improve their professional side or path, especially for those people who are intimidated in terms of using AI?
My advice for them would be start embracing AI because it's not going to go away any soon. It's
Yeah.
actually the future. It's actually now. You need to upskill. If you're a social media marketer or whatever you're doing, you can play around already with ChatGPT and try to figure out how can I use this better to improve my business. So
Right. And I really do think that ChatGPT or any AI tools are not, our enemies. Nung first na parang na-introduce ang AI, coach, ang daming mga copywriters, mga social media na
yeah.
got really scared because baka
Yes.
ma-replace daw sila ng ChatGPT. What are your thoughts on that, coach? Sorry, parang gusto ko lang din malaman from you.
ChatGPT can already parang take away jobs like copywriting kasi it's smart. So I told them na no, hindi naman kasi not everyone knows how to do
Correct.
prompting
Yes.
properly. So you
Yes.
need to learn how to do that first before makuha yung job na yon sa'yo. So even also you have to learn basics about copywriting.
And minsan kasi coach, parang nakikita na rin ng tao, especially in the digital, yung mga digital experts natin. Pag makikita mo yung caption, okay, ChatGPT yan, hindi na prompt ng maayos yan.
Actually, you can also train ChatGPT to avoid those words na that seems like parang a giveaway. You can just prompt it now. Don't use elevate. Don't use delve.
I think that's about it, Coach. Thank you so much for sharing your expertise.
Thank you, Jamie.
Is there anything you would like to promote? Tell your social media channels here para lang they can connect with you if they have like questions or if they want to know more about your posts about AI.
For those business owners who want to know more about how chatbots or AI chatbots can help with their business, visit our website at botsatwork.ph. And if you want to learn more about how to build chatbots for your business naman, go to Facebook page at Botcamp. So may engage na kayo na chatbot doon teaching you where to go so that you can learn more about doing chatbots for your business.
All right. So thank you so much again, Coach. Thank you for sharing your insights with us. And to all our viewers, thank you for tuning in to this episode of the Gen Z Show. We hope you found today's discussion as enlightening as I did. And if you have any questions or want to learn more about how AI can help you at work, feel free to reach out to Coach Dom, or you can actually go to his Facebook page, or you can leave a comment below. So once again, thank you and see you on our next episode.